On the menu today, dogs, timber, bones, and a big move. In our new place in Sweden, we definitely have a lot of forest, so we're planning to make our own wood and own board. And this is where we're gonna lay the timber that has been cut earlier in April. There's definitely a lot to clean. This is the timber that we're gonna take out once we've cleaned all the branches, and later on we're gonna build the dog fences there. All these bones are leftovers that were left by the previous owners to feed the bears. This is definitely not very convenient with dogs, so we're gonna try and clean as much as we can, and the rest we will bury under branches for the time being. High time for a little midwind break. Before going back to the doggies. So we went for a run with all of them and had them run free in the running fence for a while, which is always good after training. And then it was time for us to get ready for the next job of that day. So the big plan for the day is to move the dogs up there in this barn, which is in perfect condition, and that will make a perfect dog house. A lot of wood in there, but unfortunately most of it is wet and stale. Anyway, we can still use it for campfires and barbecues. So now that we've made room for the dogs, it's time to move the crates out of the truck. And it will be a good thing to be able to clean in there after such a long winter. And now let's have all the crates taken to the barn and put in position for the dogs. It doesn't look too bad for a first. Afterwards, here we will build a proper dorm for the dogs so they can be taken inside at night. But the question is, do they like it? So let's have them taken inside for a test. Well, actually it went very well. All the dogs went inside super easily. Even Hasu, who's usually scared of big buildings. This barn is definitely a great place to make a dog house, especially if we have any hot days or in winter when it will be super cold. They can be nice and comfy here. A little bit more cleaning and we were pretty happy with all the tasks done that day. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. It really helps us keep on with that project and grow the channel. In the next video, we keep on with the next stages of setting up our camp in the north of Sweden. Thanks a lot and take care until next time!